Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gummy bears using Agar Agar. First, gather your ingredients: 1/4 cup of your favorite fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder, and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. Make sure your gummy molds are clean and ready. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk to combine everything smoothly. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun kitchen project. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your fruit juice into the saucepan. Add the 2 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder and 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until there are no lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes to fully activate the Agar Agar. This step is crucial for proper setting. Time to fill those molds. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your gummy bear molds. You'll want to work quickly here, as Agar Agar sets much faster than gelatin, even at room temperature. Once all your molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes. This cooling period ensures your gummy bears become perfectly firm and ready to enjoy. Once your gummy bears are completely firm, it's time for the best part: demolding them. Gently pop each gummy bear out of its mold. They should come out easily. Store any uneaten gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep them fresh for several days. They make a fantastic snack. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.